Alright, let's talk about the Concept Global Sling Bag, because if you travel, you've probably seen the ads. Maybe you're asking, is it legit, or just another overpriced gimmick? Here's the deal. Concept Global, also known as Concept Collective, is a real brand. They're not some fly-by-night scam. You'll find them on Amazon, and they've got hundreds of reviews on Trustpilot. So, what's good? Most customers this year say the bag's design is actually impressive. A reviewer from BSB Insider even called it better built than budget sling bags, with weather-resistant fabric and a slim, practical shape. And those anti-theft features, RFID blocking pockets and cut-resistant straps, aren't just marketing fluff. Comfort-wise, people on Reddit say it's easy to wear for hours and it fits under a jacket without looking bulky. Size-wise, there are two options. The regular fits your essentials. The large can handle bigger phones, like the iPhone 15 Pro Max. But no bag is perfect. Some buyers hit snags with shipping, slow tracking, wrong names, or just waiting longer than expected. The upside? If something goes wrong, Concept Global's support team seems to fix it, and they'll even honor those buy one, get one free deals if there's a mix-up. Now here's the catch. If you dig around on Reddit or gear forums, you'll see a lot of people saying this bag looks almost identical to generic ones you can snag on AliExpress for way less. Is it a dropshipping situation? Maybe. If you don't mind waiting, you could save some cash. So, is the Concept Global Sling Bag a scam? Not at all. But for the price, you're really paying for customer service, faster shipping, and peace of mind, not a totally unique design.